Assalamualaikum viewers, उम्मीद है आप खैर से होंगे. Today I brought 10 most important vocabulary which can help you to improve your speaking on daily basis. So let's get started. The first one word is blight. Blight. B-L-I-G-H-T, blight. This is noun. Its meaning is affliction, taklif. Synonyms: scourge or bane. Antonyms: blessing. Example sentences: the vacant properties are a blight on the neighborhood. Complacent. Complacent. It is an adjective. Its mean smug. Urdu meaning khud mutmain or khud manzoor. Synonym is self-satisfied, self-approving. Antonyms: dissatisfied, dissatisfied. Example sentence: you can't afford to be complacent about security. Next word is wrangle. Wrangle. It is a noun. Its mean argument. Urdu meaning tanazia या इख्तिलाफ. Synonyms: dispute or disagreement. Antonym: agreement. Example sentence: an insurance wrangle is holding up compensation payments. Inclusive. Adjective. Its meaning is all in. Its mean that jamia. Synonym: all inclusive, comprehensive. Antonyms: exclusive. Example sentences: they have menus stating fully inclusive prices. Implicit. It is an adjective. Its meaning is implied. Urdu meaning bil wasta ya takhfif shudda. Synonyms: indirect, infer. Antonyms: explicit. Example sentence: comment seen as implicit criticism of the policies. Collision. It is a noun. Its mean is clash. Urdu mean tanazia, mukhalfat ya jagda. Synonyms: conflict, opposition. Antonyms: coalescence. Example sentence: when she married an NRI, collision of the diverse cultures took place. Efficacious. It is an adjective. Its meaning is effective. Urdu meaning कामयाब या कारामद. Synonym: successful, effectual. Antonyms: inefficacious. Example sentence: the treatment was efficacious in some cases. Offensive. It is an adjective. Its meaning is insulting. Urdu meaning badtamizi ya tashkhisi. Synonyms: rude, derogatory. Antonyms: complimentary. Example sentence: the allegations made are deeply offensive to us. Average. It is a verb. Shorten. Its mean mukhtasar karna. Synonyms: cut, curtail. Antonyms: lengthen. Example sentence: it was abridged from the original work. Tangible. It is an adjective. Its mean real, Urdu meaning asal ya ठोस. Synonyms: actual or solid. Antonyms: abstract. Example sentence: the emphasis is now on tangible results. Watch it again and again, then you will learn as soon as possible. Please subscribe my channel if you don't, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.